Donut Dash. How to play. The object of the game is to be the player to collect the most donuts that match your donut box. Put the driver in the car and fill the engine in a random order with donuts. Turn on the car and place it in the middle of the table. Give everyone one donut box. Pick a player to push down on the driver's head and the car will spin in circles and shoot out donuts. Players race to collect the donuts that match their donut box. You may only grab one donut at a time, and the first player to touch a donut gets to take it. Rainbow donuts are wilds that any player can take. When the car comes to a stop, the closest player it is pointing at must return one of their donuts, if they have any, back to the engine of the car. Then they push the driver down. Continue playing until the car starts honking. Then the car loses control and all the players must race to push the driver's head to stop the car. The first player to push the driver gets to take 2 donuts from the other players. The game is now over, and the player who collected the most donuts that match their donut box wins.